people are doing some fireworks. It's about midnight. It just happened. Can't get any good shots though. I'm in my socks, so it's pretty difficult. I just walked out just now. It's about 12. I can't get any good shots because of the pictures. They're through the trees right now. So yeah. Oh damn. I wonder where those are coming from. I'm gonna possibly get some shoes on and keep on going. Yeah. It's about 40 degrees out here. Oh damn. How awesome these people came here last year. Doing off fireworks. I can see that smoke, but